Hello friend, welcome to this new video. In this video we will solve one Diophantine equation. We know that Diophantine equation has a solution if and only if D, which is the greatest common divisor of A and B, is a divisor of a constant term C, then the Diophantine equation has a solution. Diophantine equation as a 172x plus 20y equal to 1000. Now we compare this equation with Diophantine equation, that is ax plus by equal to c. Then we have a equal to 172 and b equal to 20. Then first we will find the greatest common divisor of a and b. To find the greatest common divisor of a and b, we apply the Euclidean algorithm. We apply Euclidean algorithm, so we have 172 equal to 8 into 20, that will be 160, and we remain with 12. Then later on divide this 20 by 12, the quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 8. Okay, again dividing 12 by 8, we have 8 and the remainder is quotient is 1 and remainder is 4. But 8 is divisible by 4, and therefore 4 is the greatest common divisor of 172. 4 equal to GCD of 172 and 20. Then you can see that this 4 is a divisor of 1000, and therefore 4 divide, which gives us 1000 equal to 250 into 4. Therefore this Diophantine equation has a solution. To find the solution of this Diophantine equation, we express the greatest common divisor D equal to ax plus by. We know that how to express. We write this 4 equal to 12 minus 8 equal to 12 minus 8 means 20 minus 12 equal to 2 into 12 minus 20 equal to 2 into what is a 12? 12 is 172 minus 8 into 20 minus 20 equal to 2 into 172 minus 16 into 20 minus 20 equal to 2 into 172 minus plus minus 17 into 20, right? So this is our 4. Now we multiply this equation by 250. So 4 into 250 equal to 2 into 250 into 172 plus minus 17 into 250 into 20. You can see that the 4 into 250, that is 100, that is 1000, and we have 1000 equal to 2 into 250, that will be 500. 500 into 172 minus now 17 into 250, so this will be 4250 into 20. Okay, so if we compare this, we have x0 equal to 500 and y0 equal to minus 4250. This is a particular solution of Diophantine equation. Now to find the general solution, x equal to x0 plus b divided by d into t, and y equal to y0 minus a divided by d into t. This is the formula. X0 equal to 500 plus what is b? B is a 20. What is a d? D is a 4 into t. So this is 500 plus 5t and y equal to minus 4250 minus 172 divided by 4 into t equal to minus 4250 minus 4 4s are 60, carry 1, so 12, and 4 3s are 12, so we have minus 43 into t. This is y. So this is the general solution of Diophantine equations, and hence you have seen that how we get a general solution to the Diophantine equation.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.